No matter how experienced you are in golf, accurate aiming is never easy. Merely calculating with your eyes does not guarantee a good shot either. When facing a dogleg hole, a hill without a hole in sight, or a bunker zone, it would be difficult to settle into your ideal address position. With Aiming View, you can now find your aim and address perfectly wherever you are. Plug in the device, aim, and swing away once the angle hits 90 degrees. Reduce the number of strokes and score better with Aiming View. Aiming View detects 1,000 signals per second, measuring the action of the golf club in 3 dimensions at 0.2 degrees. Check the aiming angle on the OLED display in real time. Aim with accuracy through Aiming View and swing for the win. Aiming View is easy to use. First, press the power button and plug it into the grip of any golf club you own. Press the 0 button and point the club face straight toward the target for about 3 seconds. Once you hear the beep sounds, your 0 set is complete. Check the aiming angle on the display in real time. When the number shows 90 degrees, swing away with confidence. Aiming View is compatible with any golf club grip, including a driver, iron, wedge, or even a putter. It perfectly fits into all clubs and does not interfere with the swing, as it only weighs 0.42 ounces. Since it's a standalone device that is portable and convenient for use, no remote or smartphone connection is required. Fully charged via USB Type-C in just 30 minutes, which can last up to 8 full hours. Take your time to finish all 18-hole rounding. No rush. Invite our compact Ultralight Aiming View to your golf adventures, and it will be the best assistant in making a perfect shot. Aiming View, your new precision aim finder, is now available. This is the device that will fulfill your rounding experience with a fun but effective method. Dear backers, control the fate of your ball with the new aiming technology, Aiming View.